Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about one of the topic of UPSC Geology optional paper 2. Okay. So in that your paper 2, as we already discussed, some topics of paper were in between, then some topics of paper 2. So today we're going to talk about the some topics of paper 2. What are the topics? The topic is sex determination, sex determination in Drosophila, in Drosophila and human. and human. So this is in your syllabus unit 2 of your paper 2, that is a genetics. Okay. So in this topic, we are firstly going to talk about, as we have done the series of the DNA replication part 1, part 2, part 3, similar process we will do so that it will be a little bit more elaborative and understanding. I'm not providing the PDF here. I'm not going to talk about with the help of the PDF. I'm just trying to explain the concept. Okay. So in the sixth chromosome in the Drosophila, today we'll talk about one of the three, like there are mainly four methods of sex determination in Drosophila. Today we'll talk about that's one of the methods, that's the first method, which is a chromosomal basis of the sex determination. First of all, of course, we talk about a little bit about the topic, okay? So why we are saying the sex determination? Of course, so if we suppose that if we want to consider with respect to the human, so in the human there are mainly two genders, or better sex is sex, because this is the topic about the sex determination. So there's a one is a female, okay, and second is a male. If we'll say what is the difference between that, how this male and female gender or the sex is deciding, of course with the help of the chromosome. In the female, that is your XX, and in the male, that is your XY. So here I'm talking not only about the one of the topic, but also I'm giving the little reference of other topics also, है ना? So if I'm saying, okay, so if I'll say what are these are your chromosomes, right? In that 23 pair of chromosome, these are the 23rd, right? 22nd pair of chromosomes are your autosomes, right? They are not involving in deciding the sex of the person, like gender, है ना? They are not involving. So this is your X chromosome and this is your Y chromosome, okay? So if suppose that if I'm saying that this is a Y chromosome, in the offspring, in whichever the offspring, if this chromosome will reach, then of course the sex or the gender of that offspring will be male. That means we can say that here Y is a determination factor, a specific kind of sex. Yes, of course, such as if we'll see in that kind of thing, XX, है ना, and XY, XY, these are your gametes. These are your gametes, types of the gametes in the female, and in the male, Okay. So what will happen? So if we form the offsprings, that means this is the female, this is the male, and this is the female again, and this is the male, right? We are just talking about the concept only, okay? That means if the Y chromosome is present, right, that means the gender or the sex of that person is male, है ना? So here we can say that Y chromosome is one of the sex determination factor in the human, right? Similar process occur in the sex determination process of the Drosophila. Okay, what happens in the Drosophila? Actually, the thing of the Drosophila. Okay, so if you talk about the Y chromosome, so ultimately in that Y chromosome there are some genes, right? What is the chromosome is made up of? The chromosome is made up of chromatin fibers, and the chromatin is consisting the DNA, right? So can we say that DNA has a particular gene? That means can we say that that particular segment of that particular Y chromosome gene, right, have some kind of characteristic and specification which is deciding the Y chromosomes characteristic in phenotypic also and in the genotypic also. So suppose that like we have this concept that sexual dimorphism. Okay, we'll just talk about little bit. So what is sexual dimorphism? एक तो ठीक है, there's a different reproductive organs in the male and the female. That's a separate topic. But if we'll talk about the sexual dimorphism, what is the sexual dimorphism? That means you can tell the gender or the sex of the organism only by seeing from the outer side, right? So if we'll say the secondary sexual character, better saying like that way. So female has a breast development and the shortened height, while the male has a beards, right? It's a generally longer height, and at the puberty the voice become a little bit heavy, these kind of some secondary sexual characters, like we can say this, and of course the reproductive organs, so can we see this Y chromosome have some kind of genes which are responsible for forming a specific kind of hormones or the characters which are the male gender deciding factor, right? We can say this here. So on this basis there are different types of sex determination. What is the different types of sex determination? Actually in the chromosome, in the Drosophila, if we'll talk about in the Drosophila, actually mainly there are 4 types of sex determination. Actually 4 theories, better say. So the first theory is chromosomal theory, chromosomal theory of sex determination, ठीक है. सेकेंड आपका क्या है? जीनिक बैलेंस थ्योरी. सेकेंड आपका क्या है? जीनिक बैलेंस थ्योरी. थर्ड आपका क्या है? गाइनेंडर्स. एंड फोर्थ इज अ मॉलिक्यूलर बेसिस theory of sex determination, ठीक है. So there are mainly 4 types for the 4 theories of the sex determination in Drosophila. So today we'll talk about specifically sex chromosomal theory. So today we'll talk about the chromosomal theory of sex determination. Chromosomal theory of sex determination. Okay, so in the chromosome, generally of course the chromosome, the total number of the chromosome in the Drosophila is your 14, so many species of the Drosophila, but generally the number of chromosome is 14. So there are in that 14 6 pair of your autosomes, and one pair of your sex chromosome. What is the difference in the female and the male? Actually the female is your XX, okay, and the male in the Drosophila is XY. Similarly as the human, do not forget it. Similarly as a human, there are so many other types of ZO, ZW, ZZ that we'll talk separately in some other topic, but today we'll only talk about that female X and female XX and male XY. Okay, so what is the difference between the sex determination in human and the sex determination in the Drosophila? Actually, so when we talk about in that, the key point, of course I can tell you the key point here, that unlike in human, Y is not the sex, Y does not contain any Y chromosome does not contain any sex determining factor, Okay, how? Suppose that here we'll make the 2 charts, just do not get confused. Okay, so suppose that, and one more thing, the X chromosome contain the X, both of this point I'll elaborate in the form of the chart, don't worry. The X chromosome contain the sex determining factor, sex determining factor, either, this is the important point, this is a twist, either coming from one parent or one or same parent, similar, yeah, same parent, or two different parent. What does that mean? I'll tell you. Two different parent. Okay, so if we want to show the first point, if we want to prove the first point, so suppose that we can say it here, the 2a plus xx, okay, because we are talking about the sex chromosomes, so that's why we also have to include the about the autosomes, that is a is equal to your autosomes. So can we say this is a female Drosophila, okay, and this is 2a plus xy, this is your male, right? This is your male parent, of course. These are the parent. Then what will be the gamete? The gamete here will be 2a plus x, right? And 2a plus x. Got it? यहाँ पे आपको ये बनेगा 2a plus x and 2a plus y. Heterogrammatic and homogammatic, we know this concept. From here we can form 2a plus xx, okay? From here 2a plus xy, from here 2a plus xx, and here 2a plus xy. From here we are not even saying anything. यहाँ पे this is very obvious है ना, कि आपके फीमेल का ये था, उसके बाद आपका ये आपके क्या बनी, फीमेल बनी, ये क्या बना, मेल बना, ये अगेन बना फीमेल, एंड ये बना मेल, of course. But what if in the condition during the formation of the gamete, okay, what if in one of the condition, if there will be the 2x and 1y, then to prove the second point, the female has, again parent has 2a plus xx. So here now we will forming the three types of gamete. So one gamete is ax, second gamete is a double x, and third gamete is a. Got it? So these are your three gametes. ठीक है, देन आपका यहाँ पे अगेन 2a plus xy में we forming only two gametes, that is ax and ay. चलो, अब सेकेंड पॉइंट को प्रूव करने के लिए we'll do this chart formation. How? तो इफ आई से अगर इसका और इसका मेट कराएंगे, so what will be the formation? The formation will be 2a plus xx, right? ax. तो ये आपकी क्या बन रही है? ये आपकी बन रही है नॉर्मल फीमेल, ऑफ कोर्स. दिस इज द फीमेल, सॉरी माय बैड, दिस इज द फीमेल, ऐसे लिख देते हैं, है ना. अब इसका इसके साथ करा रहे हैं, तो क्या बन रहा है? 2a plus x and y, है ना. दिस विल बी द मेल, नो इश्यूज फॉर श्योर. Then what if इसका क्या कंडीशन है? Then it will forming the 2a plus x plus x plus x. So here there will be the 3x. Still it will be the form the female. Don't worry. Of course this is not y. Just wait. Then what if ये आपका interesting combination है? There is the 2a plus x and y. So tell me guys, what will be this condition? Because here the xy is also present and xx is also present. So what we have to, this will be your female. While the Y chromosome is present, this is some of the difference that we just write it here. The X chromosome contain the sex determination factor, while Y chromosome does not contain any sex determination factor. That means in this scenario, even if the Y is present and the two X chromosome, these two X chromosome coming from the same parent, है ना? We have written this. अगर X chromosome is only deciding the gender or the sex, either it is coming from the one parent, like only from the mother, or from mother and father both. So this is something very interesting, है ना. यहाँ पे आपका क्या बन रहा है? यहाँ पे आपकी फीमेल बन रही है, ठीक है. अब ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन हो गया. अब इसको करा लेते हैं. ये कॉम्बिनेशन आपका क्या बनेगा? ये आपका बनेगा 2a plus x. क्या बनेगा ये? Of course, it will not form anything. It will x है तो आपके एक्स है ना, तो आपके ऑफकोर्स फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स कंटेन करेगा, बट इट विल नॉट बी वेरी फर्टाइल, ठीक है। देन ये आपका क्या बनेगा, 2a प्लस y, दिस विल गोइंग टू बी डाई, दिस विल गोइंग टू बी डाई, ठीक है, एंड दिस विल बी योर फीमेल। समझ आ गया? सो दिस इज समथिंग अबाउट द क्रोमोसोमल थ्योरी of sex determination in Drosophila. Why it is the main point? What is the crux from this discussion? What is actually a thing you have to take from this discussion? That X chromosome is only containing the sex determination factor. Even if the Y chromosome is present, it will not decide the character only if it one X or one Y is present. This just remember this case. Always remember this case, ठीक है? So next type of chromosomal, next type of your sex determination we will talk in the further class or in the series of it. Thank you so much.